Can you really treat cellulite at home? Yes, you can. These have worked better than any luxury cream out there. Today, we're talking cellulite fixers. Don't worry, no, it's not one of those miracle overnight videos. I've got a couple of tricks up my sleeve, starting with this. This is my body brush. I talk about it all the time. I use it every single day. It's fantastic for cellulite. I'm going to show you exactly how I use it. It helps stimulate your blood flow, helps with lymphatic drainage, which helps with cellulite reduction. When we strengthen that skin barrier, our cellulite is minimized. If you've never used a body brush before, it's very straightforward. What you want to do is brush towards your heart, getting that skin nice and pink, which is increasing the blood flow and helping with lymphatic drainage. And of course, we're helping with collagen production. You can do this every single day. It's not going to hurt you. And you can do exactly the same on the backs of your arms or on your bum, wherever you've got the signs of cellulite. So when you finish your body brushing, it's time to moisturize. Yes, you can use your castor oil. It's brilliant as an anti-inflammatory moisturizer. It's fabulous, but it's very sticky, so I'd only use this in the evening. My other favorite is this one here. I talk about it all the time. It's the Retinol Advanced Firming Cream. It's brilliant all over the body. It's not sticky, which makes it perfect for every single day use. Now this is another one of my favorite tools. It is a roller massager. It's so good. It grabs the muscle, it grabs the skin, it's stimulating blood, and it's getting that movement going, which is going to smooth out your cellulite. Now I use it on my legs just like this. It's not hard. I go up and down. It's really a fabulous tool. And I can also use it on the backs of my arms, just like this. My next home hack is a natural body scrub using coffee grounds. Caffeine is an incredible stimulant for the skin. It helps with blood flow, it helps with the appearance of cellulite, and it's a great skin tightener. All round, it's a superb body scrub. You want to mix it with an oil. You can use castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, even olive oil. When you've got your coffee scrub, you're going to literally rub it into your skin. You want to leave it on for about 5-10 minutes if you can. It really helps with blood flow. I absolutely love doing this. I probably do this maybe once or twice a month. I don't do it very often because obviously it is a little bit messy, but it really helps with the appearance of cellulite. When you've rubbed it in, remember to shower it off. Make sure you get rid of every little bit of the grit, otherwise you are going to be uncomfortable. So once you've done your coffee scrub, rinse off and moisturize in the usual way. Now let's talk about what actually causes cellulite. If it were just fat, our skin would just rise and be plump and smooth. But it's not just fat. We've got a fibrous connective tissue that is really tough that wants to pull down towards our muscle wall. That's why we get these dimple effects. The fat wants to rise, but the fibrous tissue is pushing down. And this gives the appearance of what we know to be cellulite. Now, there is a growing body of research that suggests that inflammation not only worsens cellulite, but can actually trigger cellulite. So what we eat, what we put on our plate, is crucial if we want to minimize and reduce cellulite. First up, liquid gold, extra virgin olive oil, incredibly rich in polyphenols. It helps fight against oxidative stress, which causes inflammation. Drink it, drizzle it, cook with it, just don't leave it out. Walnuts and chia seeds, rich in omega-3 and fantastic at fighting chronic inflammation, which makes them superb for your cellulite. They also are ideal at helping build connective tissue. You couldn't want for anything better. Next up, my favorite, blueberries. They're high in antioxidants. They are incredible at fighting inflammation. They're a superfood. They also help build collagen and improve your skin resilience, which is going to help diminish the appearance of cellulite. And finally, we've got turmeric and garlic, naturally anti-inflammatory and incredible circulation boosters. They've also been shown to break up fibrotic tissue. That's that fibrous tissue that sometimes gets in our joints and under our skin. When we take an anti-inflammatory like either of these two, we're also going to help with the appearance of cellulite. Tightening the skin, dialing in your nutrition is great, but what about what's happening underneath the skin? Your muscles. I'm going to show you two moves that are a game changer for cellulite. The first one is a goblet squat. I'm using an 8 kilo dumbbell here. You can use whatever you've got. But let me tell you, the pink girly dumbbells will not cut it. We want to hold it close to our chest, and we're going to squat down and straight up, all the way down, pushing into our heels to come up, making sure that we stick our bum out, coming all the way down, pushing up. Now, we're going to do it 10 times. We are going to feel it in our quads and our glutes. That's our thighs and our bum. And that's where cellulite likes to hang out, but no more. It can sling its hook. Next up, let's really go for it. We're going to use my absolute favorite, this wobble board. Now, this is my recommendation for every woman over the age of 40. It activates your core, your glutes, your quads, all the places where cellulite loves to hang out. Grab your wobble board, pop it on a flat surface, and step on. Now you're going to wobble. That's the point of a wobble board. It literally is activating all the muscles, especially in your abs, your glutes, and your quads, and even your calves. Now, once you're on, that can be fine. And if you do this for 10 minutes a day, you're going to be working those muscles. But let's make it more challenging. We're going to go into a squat. Yes, we are. And it's not that easy. It's challenging, but it's fun. And that's how we're going to work all of those muscles. Now, I would probably do around 5 and then have a rest, have a little shimmy if you want, and then go again. So into your squat, all the way down and up again. And don't worry, if you feel like you're going to fall off, you just simply step off. It's not high, it's not dangerous, you're going to have some fun. Ladies, remember, cellulite is normal, is a part of being a woman, a human being. Men get it too, but with my little tricks and hacks, you can help minimize the appearance of your cellulite. I've chosen this video for you next. It's going to help you have a flatter belly. Until the next time, bye for now.